Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two dash cams that promise to capture every moment on the road. On the left, we have the OMBAR dash cam, and on the right, we have the Miden S7 dual dash camera.
Let the battle begin.
When it comes to capturing those crucial moments on the road, video quality is everything.
The OMBAR dashcam boasts an impressive UHD 4K front camera and FHD 1080p rear camera. That means you'll be able to clearly see license plates and road signs even from a distance. Driving at night can be challenging, but these dashcams claim to have the solution. The OMBAR dashcam features super night vision technology, ensuring clear footage in low light conditions.
No more blurry or grainy videos.
It's not just about video quality and night vision. These dashcams have some cool features to offer.
The OMBAR dashcam comes equipped with built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS.
You can easily control it through the Kakam app and even record your driving route and speed.
Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The OMBAR dashcam comes in at $199, while the Miden S7 dual dash camera is available for just $69.
That's quite a price difference. The OMBAR dashcam and the Miden S7 dual dash camera received positive reviews from customers. Reviewers praised the OMBAR dashcam for its easy installation, excellent video quality, wide-angle lens, night vision mode, collision detection, loop recording, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi function.
The Miden S7 dual dash camera impressed customers with its exceptional video quality, easy installation, wide-angle lens, seamless loop recording, G-sensor, user-friendly interface and parking mode feature.
Both dashcams offer great value for their respective price points. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the OMBAR dashcam and the Miden S7 dual dash camera in various categories.
It's a tough battle, but in the end, the choice is yours.
Don't forget to check the description below for more details and links to these products.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.